Hello and welcome to Vita Student. My name is Jasmine and I'm going to be showing you around Vita Student Exeter today. We have 156 luxury studios located in the heart of Exeter city centre. Both University of Exeter campuses are a 10-minute walk away. We are located 2 minutes away from all the local supermarkets, high street shops and high street banks. So come on in. Let me show you around all the facilities and our beautiful studio apartment. Let's go. As soon as you come through the main entrance, you'll be in reception, where there's someone at the desk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So whether you want to speak to someone or just pick up a parcel, someone is always here. Here we are in the communal hub area of the underground floor of Vita Student Exeter. The hub is where the Laundrette and Coffee Co is located. We serve breakfast here from Monday to Friday from 7:30 to 9:30. We serve hot drinks, freshly baked pastries, toast and spreads, fresh fruit and juice. And the best thing about it, there's no extra cost. It's all included in your weekly rent. Beside it is the pool table where it's free to use whenever you want. Seating areas are located throughout the hub. So if you want to grab your laptop, invite some friends and study, maybe watch some Netflix series or even play some PlayStation, you can. As well as social spaces, there's a private study room, a 24-hour gym and a movie area. This space is also where we host all our events. So whether that's a games or film night or even our big student ball, this is where it all happens. This is the movie area. As you can see, each portrait has a celebrity that's graduated from Exeter University. This is a great space to order a pizza, watch a movie with your friends, or even have a FIFA night. This is the Vita Student Gym, where there's everything you need here in order to keep in shape. The best thing about this is that it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And then your membership is included in your weekly rent, so you won't need to worry. In your studio, this will be your kitchen area. You will have an oven/microwave, a hob area, an extraction fan, a fridge with your built-in freezer. Included with your rent, you'll receive your own designer toaster and kettle, all of the utensils as you see here, and then 2 of everything. This is your bedroom area where you'll have your own queen-size bed. What's great about the bed is that it has under-bed storage where you can store any suitcases or anything you'd like to hide underneath. Either side of the bed are 2 wardrobes, one where you can hang all your clothes and one where you can have them folded. Over there you'll have your own full-length mirror, and your bathroom is located over here. So this is your built-in bathroom. You have your toilet, you have your sink with underneath drawer storage, a mirror with a shelf, and you have your rainfall shower head with a handheld shower option. So this will be your study space where you'll have 2 tables, 2 chairs, a set of drawers, a desk lamp, a 32-inch Samsung TV where it has all the Netflix and catch-up channels, and a built-in storage shelving unit where you can store all your books, as well as everything I've showed you today. Included in your studio are all your bills, 250 megabytes of broadband and Wi-Fi, and once a week a housekeeper will come in and clean your room. So thank you so much for viewing with me Vita Student Exeter. I hope you've enjoyed it.